Hello friends, this is Dhruvi. If you are seeing my face for the first time, then please do subscribe for my further videos, as I upload my new videos on every Sunday, so you'll get something new to see every Sunday. So guys, today I have something really unique and new for you guys. It's a DIY. I am going to show you how to decorate or DIY or give colorful things to your earphones, as everyone are bored with those boring white earphones, and this is really very flexible. You can use it on any of your earphones. Even if your earphones are broken or they are not working, you can use them. You can use this DIY on other earphones also. So it's effortless and it's quick. So without wasting time, let's go to the video. So we'll get this wire of rupees 100 on the local stores. So we have to just first detangle this headphones, which everyone has this way only. And now what you have to do is this is just like a telephone wire, you can see. And you have to just wrap it in your headphones. So I'll show you how to wrap it. See, first you have to just put wire inside this and then just twist it like this. It is just like a telephone wire. See, 2 wraps are done. I hope you guys enjoyed it and liked it, and do try this. It's really very cheap and it's quick, and you can use this in other earphones also. So it's nice kind of. In fact, I use that and it's really very amazing. At least you can differentiate between other earphones, and it's unique for the people who are creative and love all these things. Must try. Like, your earphones also should be unique and it should be like DIY, done by your own self. So that's it. So if you are new to my channel, do subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and if you have already subscribed, then click on that bell icon so you'll get notified each time I upload a new video. And don't forget to like, share and comment, and do share pictures with me on my social media. Links are given in the description box. That's it. Bye bye.